mask. Mask is something that hides the face. When you wear a mask, only that part of the face that you want to be seen is visible, while the rest is hidden. That is, we hide the part. There are three types of masks available in Photoshop: layer mask, clipping mask, and vector mask. Let us now see how the first type, that is, layer mask, is used. In this type, the mask is applied on the layer. Let us see a demonstration for this now. Here, this is the background and this is the image layer. Select the image layer as we would like to apply the mask to it. Select the option Layer Mask from the Layer palette. Or else, you can also select the Reveal All command under Layer Mask in the Layer menu. The white colored mask is now visible in the Layer palette. The mask is always displayed in white or black color. Now, if you select the mask and press Ctrl plus I key, then the mask changes color to black and the layer is not seen. But if you inverse the condition, that is, press the key once again, then the mask becomes white and the image is seen. This means that if the color of the mask is black, then the image cannot be seen, but if it is white, then the image can be seen. Now we will keep the mask selected in the layer palette and give black color to some areas so that that part will be hidden. To give the black color, we will use the brush tool. Observe how when we move the brush on parts of the image, the background color of the image can be seen. That means when the black color is filled, that part of the image cannot be seen. Please note that this part is not deleted, it is just hidden. The complete image can be seen in the palette, but some parts are covered in black on the mask. If you would like to see the image again, then select the white color and move the brush on the hidden areas. If you do not want the mask at all, then right-click on the mask and select the command Delete Layer Mask. There is one more way by which you can apply the layer mask. Select the area you are interested in using the selection tool. Decide on the feather value and select the command Add Layer Mask. You will observe that only the area that you have selected is visible. The rest of the part is not visible, that is, it is hidden. On the layer palette too, you will observe that the mask has black color on the parts that are hidden. When you click on Properties, you will find an option Density. If we decrease the density, then the part of the image that is hidden starts becoming transparent. The feather value can also be set from here. Using the option Color Range, we can select a specific color and show only that part. Invert means opposite action to the previously performed action. When we use this option, the part which is visible becomes invisible and vice versa. If you would like the mask to be hidden for a short periods, then right-click on the mask thumbnail and select the command Disable Layer Mask. If the mask is needed again, then select the command Enable Layer Mask. If the mask is to be removed, then right-click on the mask thumbnail and select the command Delete Layer. If you would like to delete the part that has been blackened, then select the command Apply Layer Mask. The work of this command is that a layer is created for the part that is visible. The options for enabling or disabling the mask, or deleting the layer mask, or selecting only the visible parts. To perform all these actions, certain options, for example, enable layer mask, disable layer mask, delete mask, load selection from mask, all these are also available on the last bar under Properties.